I just had this banana hazelnut coconut tart last weekend in Paris. The tart has toasted coconut in the shell and a layer of bananas. And wait till you see what I put in this filling. Topped with hazelnut praline and toasted coconut. So grab your goofy French chef hat and let's go have some fun. You start with the Tart Shell, and I made a completely separate video on how to make a Tart Shell with all the tips and tricks and everything. But let me run through this one real quick because it's got some different ingredients and let me highlight everything. Take 1.5 cups of flour, 2/3 cup of powdered sugar, and 3/4 cup of toasted coconut. Give that a whiz. Then add 1 egg and 1 egg yolk, and save that egg white for later. You're gonna need it. Add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract into it. Now add that 1/2 cup of butter and pulse it till you get crumbs. Add in the egg mixture. Wrap it all up in plastic wrap and chill it in the refrigerator. Then roll it out like normal. And for the final step, brush that egg white around the inside and bake it for 7 minutes longer. That's our insurance against a soggy bottom. There's no soggy bottoms here in this kitchen. Now for the topping of your tart, you take another cup of your coconut. Toasting the coconut gives it a lot more flavor. It's called the Maillard effect. It's the same reason we toast vegetables and even steaks. They taste better that way, don't they? And now for the hazelnut praline that goes on top with the toasted coconut. We're gonna do the wet method here, where it's 1/3 cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of water. And heat this to 250 degrees. That's the hard ball stage. You don't have to mix it or anything, but have your hazelnuts on the ready, and then add in your hazelnuts and stir, 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 stir. Stir, 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 stir. Stir, stir, stir. Just keep stirring. And the sugar is going to actually crystallize around the nuts and turn white in there, and you think you ruined it. But don't worry, just keep on stirring. It's gonna turn amber in color. Look, it is. It's turning amber. That's right around 350 degrees, but keep on stirring and scrape down the sides of your pan. Stir, stir, stir. Beautiful, that's a beautiful color. Then we're gonna pour it onto a baking mat and set this aside to cool. Or you can put it in the freezer for 10 minutes. And then once it's cool, just break it up into your food processor along with your coconut. Now for the filling, you take 250 grams of mascarpone cream, 225 grams, sorry, or a whole container. Now add in the zest of a lime. It's gonna have your guests wondering what's in there. What's that flavor? And be careful though, don't go all the way down to the white part because that's bitter. Just get the top green. And then add 1 3/4 cup of cream and 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. And once it's all combined, add 2 tablespoons of instant vanilla pudding. That's gonna give it structure for the filling of our tart. That's beautiful. That stiff peaks. Look at that filling. So beautiful. Let's put it together now. Just line your bottom with banana coins I don't like that little nubby. And I'm making this deep dish Chicago style. We like everything deep dish in Chicago. So I'm gonna make it 2 layers high. And then we put this delicious filling on top. Delicious. Just smooth it around. Spread your praline coconut topping evenly around the top for a nice crunch. Who likes praline ice cream? Now for the hazelnut decorations. Take a cup of sugar and heat that up until it caramelizes, turns a deep amber. You don't need to stir it. You just swirl it around a bit. Dip your nuts. You might want to dip them twice. Torch off the ends. And there you go. Voila! A divine, wonderful tart. I hope you had fun today. If you did, give it a like, thumbs up, leave a comment, and boop that bell. I'm gonna devour this.